Miawezo.
Yo.
Gamisu.
Mi va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe.
Mi va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Gamisu. Indi indo fiai official fi mi le.
Mashama, mi va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Mi va mi Srɔ mi adegbe Eʋegbe.
Just come on in. Akpena mi.
Ne mi yi ŋlɔ ga mi aƒe ŋlɔ ni alphabeto me de no ta mi ŋlɔ ne Eʋe. Ake Eʋe. Ta.
I'm how do you say it? I'm a shaman. I won't say I'm a shaman because it's not everyone. But I'm a yo dona Eʋe. Obosum, because it wasn't like that. Even in our associations, most of us were saying Ewe, association of, Ewe association, Ewe, like if you feel I'm a shaman, Eʋe. Blom.
Association.
The ver is what I'm stressing. That everybody's trying to say the ver.
Nemiega va troire ngonglo jeshi ugboko. Miega no kata hegevi. O mashama na kwebe ho. Hula miashi. Na ko ako hu hu azu nya degbe nya ma.
Okay.
Agba. Mijo tawo ge mi alagba.
Oh well, Medeku that very well I wanna be I'm all just sure via there. For Sarah say I wanna be once in a nihita. Medeku my introduce the kuya.
Anya for Sarah say anya for Benkwenye Senyo. Mayaba amareshara jashimla moyaji because mija nuya goma ono hafi kaka ame komunya mo anyima mavana kaka vifia agbeshagbe alo memere sa memere amona afia nya no bestrom ta anya sarose ya anya ko tatami male moaji ta nya kpobra anyima akbena mi miawezolo
Zara kanto mi ekpo.
Okay. That easy.
Mi do wezona mi kata mi ga do wezon ke abale ke mi cho siana gbo siana nyako gbo me miele ta fifia mi jo siana gbo vie mi ga tere mi aponu sosrum mi asru mi adegbe ta mi asalo nukpolo kletoro kata mi va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Egba miaƒe nusɔsrɔ̃ yi ga aleke miaƒo nu tso gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo nu ɖeka eve aɖewo míezãna le miaƒe me wonɔ asitsɔƒe na mi ne trɔ leke ko nàtoe azã miasrɔ̃ nu ɖeka eve aɖe nenye ɖeka ƒe ŋkɔe nete lé ɖe tame vevietɔ ame yiwo be wòasrɔ̃ gbea yiwo mese mɔa nenye nu ɖeka nete tsɔ le me hã ke wo hã egbatɔ ya ne kɔ le me na mi ta mie nusrɔ̃ ge gbadzaa ko menye mi me nuŋlɔkpe zãgo miasrɔ̃ nuwo ƒe ŋkɔwo ɖeka ta miage ɖe aƒe me miakpɔ be nu kawoe le miaƒe aƒewo me hã ta dana mi nye kɔna kpɔ gbɔwɔ fi ma ɖa nu kawoe le gbɔwɔ fi ma gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo
no le ya kaka le ne gbobe ne get up ma ko mi anochia Medeku
no na ro majro do na chiama ta nke mi ko ga na chiama
de ela show Medeku na kota wonam kota wa ya tawari
ko tonya fia o
Medeku Medeku nya
ka yo apamanu reka nka blue blue nka mi kata mi aga gbleke blue pu o u Blue.
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 Enye chinonu. Mi kamiezana no chilama. Aba hayana. Tamashama na kubona dalia na kwevi. Blue. Eya so popo view one lechi. Blue.
Let me get a family a couple.
Kakuchi. Tututu. Ta blue. Alo chinonu. Miega zana tre kwi malagbonya fio na manyo na mahi hare. Ta blue. Nyeza blue. Ta fifia dana mi mapo plora. Blue.
Oh, Alabama macho. Macho, but I cook my banana.
Kudu na ko pluve. Yeah, tamien ya na blue. Mia zane mia nochi, mia ko ekuochi. Oh, hai ga yo vutema. Blue. Blue. Yema blue. Okay. Anyonto ajagba. Kamiaga yiji, miaga yo nububu. Miaga yo nububu. Kafia bana mieva nuruga. Niyo togbi miezana ko duanua. Mia yo recavaro. Kanemia yo plude. Nkaha miaga tanza.
Yeah, I want to learn to do my agba. Kona agba mala shua mate.
Agba la nyaga ntolafu.
Agba.
Ta agba la nyaga.
But you ma dago mala English movie because I'm a rolia. Oh, sir, banana montami for Bodura Masagomo. Ta mana Sam Riviera.
You.
So today what we are learning, we know some people if you are speaking the English or you are speaking only Eʋe, they won't understand very well. So we are trying to learn about household items that we use in the house. So we started with the cup, which is blue. And the second one we're going to look at is the plate. So there are other things that we use like spoon, gachi. So those are the things we are learning today, the things we use in the house. So our belief is that as we learn these things, you'll be able to relate with them and understand them. And if at the end you are able to be able to mention one or two in Eʋe, that's a great achievement. So that's what we're doing today. Thank you.
Akbar, thank you very much. So things around our dining table or in the house, everyday use or our daily use items. Yeah. Ta mi gavagbo over agba. Agba ale vo. Agba gali, agba vili, agba gobili, agba gbadzeli, agba oli vo. Abale ke kplu hã li vovovo ne. Ta miakpɔba nuɖugba kawo miata zã le miaƒe nuɖui. Miekpo mɔluvi aɖe, kpo tadivi aɖe, ekpo koklo la ɖeka da ɖe edzi ɖi agba ke miazã. Ta agba eɖewo le afia. Le kpɔɖe me agba. Mi katã mi gblɔe. Agba. Nuɖugba agba.
Efoseros, we'll have a agba. Nyakata.
Foseros, agba. Agba. Ye, bono ble agba. Mi kata nukpɔlawo, nyaselao, mi kata nka nreka som.
Repeat after us. Repeat after us. Agba. A plate. A dish. Agba. The key thing is to repeat everything we're saying.
Yeah, we have different types of agba.
Do I repeat it?
Different
Agba.
types of
That's
plate.
plate.
Yeah.
Yes. Agba,
Agba.
me yogi. Agba.
Agba.
Aha.
Agba.
Maybe
Mese
all
baby Agba.
agba. Olive,
Agba.
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 Agba. Olive, agba. 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 Me come here fufu a plod the chi. Agba.
A deep one. If you that's why we're saying fufu, because a deep one, something with soup or something like that.
Yeah, agba. Ta mieko agba oha. Oli anga toli. Paper toli. Agba oli vuvuvu. Ta miega jola fima. Ta agba miesro nureka. Afiva agba gbo. Nke miesro gba danami.
Me plua.
Anya agba lento. Blue agba. Blue agba.
Different types of agba. Agba vovovo. Vovovo.
Agba vovovo. Blue agba. Okay. Yeah. So vie mi aga ibo sango gbo mi ava. Ta doctor no jajamdo nami. Ye pokplu mi pogba. Vifia na mo lo va gba ma alo chi joju ava ploma. Ala ba mi akuna na mi akwi. Ta mi azaga mi ala nyanka. Gati. Alo gachi. Gati. Alo gachi. Iha yenye yi.
Gachi. Gachi edwabli.
Bule devia. Bule bana gagbeje kamiasa.
Gachi. Spoon. Gachi.
Gachi. Yema. Gachi. Gachi. Ta. Fifia mi ekpo nu omoton. Aya. Gachi ha suetoli ne. Gantoli ne. Kana mi gantola bo.
Gato. Oh, yeah, mi akoda no alo, mi akoda.
Gato.
Yesu. Seto ha, for tea. Kaka mata ko wa yiji magana.
Gato, gachivi, gachigan. Ihali, nyezana. Gachi. If you are miecho blue agba gachi anu omo to e ma mi so sro ma fia yewo gachi gava gachi ga
Waya hale mi akoda tea mi akoda no mi akoda na no e ga ka
akwe to kakule alo kalami gachi taiha yenyama Pete amiega jola fima nyanga ponu bubura na miero plon vevieto yevo de miele miero plon no na plon di vovovo gachi ha nonyi agba nonyi plu ha nonyi yaka nure kaga kpenare mu yega nyanuka yezana he abana noa sama na tansi ai hali vovovovovo ye kodo no angatoli agatoli yenye ta
interlude
ni vinya la fima na glo
Knife.
Hey.
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 That's nice. Knife in
Hey.
Ewe.
Ta. Hey. Nye koga se yevubolo na akoya oni. Ta yevubolo se he adanami. Hirego. Aya mi akoga pa yevubolo a. Yevubolo.
There are ridges at the bottom. Ridges are grabber. And that very benobe. I feel mele smooth. How would you say?
Adweleshi.
Yes, adweleshi.
Ta ya mi koni sa yevubolo. Donc varo akpe ona mitre.
Mayom.
Mieko hea dodofi he. Haya mieko fleanu ganganga oha. Iha he. Ta he ha le miashi vuvuvu. Anga he ha noni he. Ta mieko plu. Mieko plu. Mieko plu. Mieko agba. Mieko agba. E mieko nka gati. Fifia mieko he. Ta. Ano mene a mieko. Omen. Danami. Alafima.
Menefo magbana pe.
Doc avaro.
Mele afuma yekla mo mi jedom le emoji among lomda afuma ogbagbajem David Doreen ameto woyona lafia afi David Lavina mensa halafia ta bekariji bambo bubo halafuma akpe na mi bad
Wezo. David Lavina echako me mitelo. Yeah, me invited.
Okay.
She's going to be one of our first students.
I see. Welcome. Esther Eʋegbe. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, welcome, David Lavina. Wezo.
So. She's put herself in my hands to teach her Eɓe. She and one other person, so that's great.
Yeah. It looks like she has the learning spirit, so she's here. As you can see, we started communicating. I think she was right here on time, so we started starting from the beginning. That we have Davi Doreen also here, and okay, yo akpe.
Biacho mon poko ya blone mia panya salon polo pla duazaba mie sukua humta mie jiba monova nglonko yonto mianko sam devia no yom he plu devia la no godo no yom ta devi yo mie gbono hegava kaji mia po ta mi be mi ko mia viove vevie to devio mie jire gbeji o mo sagbe o mie jibe no srogba no valo.
Yo, akpe.
Okay. Ta miaƒe nu ya ne miewɔa mieda ha dagere kaji ale miekɔ ŋlɔ ge ne ɖeviawo ne mia adawo ɖe hatsotso aɖe me. Menye ɖeviwo ɖeɖe o, ame tsitsiwo maɖo woƒe kpeɖeŋutɔ alo wo srɔ̃ wodzi be no srɔ̃ gbea wonye gbe bubu gblɔlawo mihe wo katã vɛ miasrɔ̃ miade gbe. Nu yiwo nye nu nyunyui aɖewo sia nakɔ vɛ ale bene migatsi gbe fuu ta akpe na mi. Miawoe va dɔ wɔ ge, miawoe wɔm hã. Nu ko srɔ̃ miele miva mi srɔ̃ Eʋegbe. Ke dɔk miaɖi tsa miava.
Ye miaɖi tsa miava. Akpe na mi. Da vero da na mi kple efo Gosen. Yo ke mie gbɔna kpie
Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blu novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blu. Novio, migrena bosanuba, ao blu novio. Migrena satanaba, ao.
Yo.
All right. Come here, Bo.
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Yo. Fifia miaga yiji. Miesro anwamana. Miesro blue. Agba. Gati. Ehe. Fifia miaga inanana stronger. Are you miazana chinono. Yapa chinono arono na tupama. Arohon la pa ala kotoku vima. Oh, your neighbor pure water. Gaka fia. Ala tupama. Ta miasro atupa. Atupa. Atupa.
Atupa.
Eh.
Atupa.
Atupa. Atupa. Atupa. Ihali vo in different shapes. Different types. Atupa. Haya ha. Atupai. Atupai. Atupa.
I had one, but I decided not to show that one.
Atupa. Haya ha. Atupai. Yeah, atupai. Atupa. Atupa. Like vinyare na glo atupa.
Atupa.
Atuba.
Atupa.
Good enough. Good enough.
Atupa.
Atuba.
Atupa. Yeah.
That's butter.
Ayoni haba bodiabo. Bodiabo. Akamiezana atupa. Utupa. Atupa. Miezane awu. Ta. Yemye wo lessons vai chan. Miezane bodiabo ha. Oba da fi ha wa gava fi. Miekpo atupa. Miekpo plu. Miekpo he. Miekpo agba. Miegara kakogati. Yela fima. Fifia miako nudas alokutu. Ime mi ramolu ala. Ime mi otadi ala. Ta iha vavaga. Kutu.
Nudaze.
Nudaze. Kutu. Nudaze. Kutu. Enye. Ntuvialam. Kutu. Alo nudaze. Vinyana ble. Kutu.
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 Say kutu. Kutu.
Kutu. Kutu. Nudas. Ye me mi ramolwela. Ye me mi watadiala. Ye me mi pozu behala. Kutu. Kutu. Ta. Kutu miera moluma, miera akplama, akplan, nyatogba matadiram. Kutu. Kutu. Ta fifia miaga imagba. Yamajiba nyanglu mwobo.
No the car sister. No the car sister.
Oh, nyata kwa moko mabafio. Ashitutunu. Ashitutunu. Ashitutunu.
Hello, tutunu. Napkin.
Ashitutunu. Ashitutunu. Ashitutuvo. Alo ashitutunu. Yenye napkin. At avana avo. Alo ni. Na mi chovia kama kogavi. Ashitutunu. Okay. Interlude. Docre.
Yo, mie bona pi akpe nami. Lake enwa de mie ogoma sama nya ya oglom mie nkudo ma enwa oje mie pa no so la.
No ngamra no atanami.
Da lake mie don kungi oje ala ba da nami ple da veroa the obiana bia viento. They ask a lot of questions, so get ready for the quiz. So make sure you remember everything in detail, because if you know what is napkin, assisted to know. You should know what is tray or calabash. I think they did show that.
Yeah.
We did not have they did not have one. They did not have one at home. I think they showed this. Ofi and Heya. A tray, so this is calabash tray earlier. So just giving you some pointers so that when it's quiz time, you don't blame me that I didn't tell you that Danami, Davero, and Fosaros.
You haven't taught.
All right.
Yeah, so Dalavina says, hey. And then can you pronounce? Okay, can you pronounce napkin again?
Ashitutunu. Ashitutunu. Allo ashitutuvo.
Okay, I'm typing it there. So
and let me add that Ashia, or some people say Ati because of the different dialectal parts of the language. There, Ashitutu is it's hands, fingers. That's why you're getting it. That's why it seems so big. But you're going to learn, once you learn about fingers and parts of the body, you see why that word is so. I mean, that little tiny thing has such a big name.
That Davina, Asitutunu Nyarekai. Put all together. It should all come together. Asitutunu or Asitutuvo. It should all come together. Okay, then a little break.
Yeah, this is helpful. If you have a esegoma,
thank you.
I see two no, so syllable by syllables. I see two no. I see two.
The vo is close.
Vo is close.
Vo is close. That's what I'm saying. There are two. Yeah, but you'll get it once you know the parts of the body. Then you, because we tend to use parts of the body to name things, to name the doing verbs.
Yeah.
So that's why it seems like why such a long whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo,
we're gonna give you some music and we'll be back.
Okay.
Be back very soon. Yo,
Avela le
I think we run out of items. extra. Yeah, no problem. I don't have enough of the stuff. I thought it would take us a long time. But
Oh, akpe, miego, akpe, yo, ke ele miagbo, anyi nova.
Quero que minha gaidi a balé minha gloma minha sucuvio jim alaba minha weo anya po minha vio yo que minha direct baji uma sagbo no wasru minha degbe ne maregbo na ba ya gbo na vio ba shi a wasagoma ba shi otanshi ipon kusro me miela ta nu agba mienu poncho apo manu zazan vevie tola nu du plonchi nu de caro y que miezana ne mienglo na ne ba mi ma kwe darejo ye na nyanu pola alo torola ye na kwea anwire manami na mia akwe akove ta akpena mi miawe va doga miawe dom ha mia yiji miesro nu de caro vai ta miaro nkunu kawo miesro gba danami
agba
miesro agba ko agba dogbe makpo agba
maybe it comes in Evanale, right? It comes, if I say Evana, right? Okay. So it comes in different shapes and sizes and different types. Agba just means a plate or something that you eat in or do something in the kitchen. Yeah. Also, by the way, I guess those who know me, who don't know me, I speak Apprende Eʋe. So, one of those like you who has to learn now. So, if you hear my English going through the Eʋe and even asking how something is said, don't worry, you will be the same, and before you know it, you understand it, and that's it. So here's another That very little, yeah. Agba.
Yeah, agba. Agba is
cocoa. How do you know? I mean, cocoa. I mean, it's deep. How do I say deep?
agba gobi.
Agba. Okay.
Agba gobi. Alo agba gobo. Gobo.
Okay.
Meaning is deep.
Nyako do nane he dechi.
Ano na jogbo ha. Adu amolu ha.
Your house.
Adu bobo ha.
Yeah, everything. And then they come in different, different shapes and kinds. This is plastic.
Yeah.
And of course, we also have many disposable. This week I'm a clog disposable.
Paper to. Yeah. Akpa. So kuvi miera tonya ganala. Yeah. Ka mi gaiji. Nuka ha mi gasron. Yes, right.
Mistro nu yabe atukpa yevu be bottle. Na ko be atukpa alam ha bale enu agbakun to hon le atukpa li o nu na echi tukpa echi ko na e de halia ahatukpa. So we have different kinds of bottles also. We have water bottle, wine bottle, whiskey bottle.
Yeah. breakable ones, plastic ones.
Yeah.
Plastic you throw away.
Yeah. I have
wine, wine is also a tupa. Those are when we go to the African market and buy palm oils. That Lavina, I know you know because you eat that food. So you buy the palm oil and all those things, they are in atupa. And yes, they are all in atupa. They are in bottles. Yes.
Atupa. So we have learned atupa. Okay. Boro. Hello, bodiabo. Bodiabo.
Another name is bodiabo.
Another name. Another dialect. Okay. Dan polau nyasalo miakuna na chungwa minglere nuama basama na mifa. Okay. Nyaga iji. Nuka hamye gasron.
Blue.
Gasron. Blue.
Kopu.
Blue. Kopu. English part, man.
Miye block kopu.
Kake, dem le English. Abona no sem.
If there's an English part to any vernacular we speak, it's because before the white man came, we didn't say it that way. Cup is because they came with instead cup. Blue. That very good. Okay. Blue. Right? Blue. Yeah. Blue.
Okay.
That's a real name in our language.
Anya haya. Anya chijoju no toma na coffee amadi.
The difference.
Emma. Haya ha plue. Akanya gayo ni ba konko. Mi gayo ni ba konko.
Konko. Look at our konko.
Unko nyama.
Okay.
Hai.
It's just a glass. It's a glass. Drinking glass.
Konko. Bega yo neighbor mka. Blue ko. Rika mo no nula.
It's just
Blue. No. Blue. Nusha mi kamiezana no na noa. Miawe blue. Vieto. O we no mayaoma. Anything in this form is blue. Labrador. Okay. Me gastro no bubu ha. Ka me gastro.
Gallo. Me wa gallo eh.
Ni manyan ke gallo gojiri.
Asi.
Gaflo.
Asi tutuvo.
Ashitutuvo. Yeah. Let me remove. Miezani. Alo ne anudu pa okeda no na dara kota.
Napkin.
Api ashi tutu vo alo ashi tutu nu. Ashi tutu nu.
Ashitutu for that Lavina. Ashitutu vo is like cloth. So it's like a napkin, think about cloth napkin. And then no, when you just say ashitutu noa, then it's something you wipe your mouth with. So they all kind of come together.
Atamva fifi mi have ayuka mi kona pork baba kaya wona
Yeah, that's just a tissue, napkin.
Ta hamo asitutu nu ko nya na tutu iko na kwepu ba. Okay. Nka ha mi gasron. Ka je mi garon ku.
Nudaze.
Yes, nudaze.
Lokutu.
Kutu.
Ephosaurus, something you said, whatever you said is ze.
Kutu. No, anye tong bedo maleta.
Yeah, man,
Kutu. Nami azonu aje abogbe ho torum.
Oh,
Kutu. Kutu. Kutuga. Kutu. Nudaze.
Ephosaurus, my mama via enu akpama.
Okay.
Pot.
Kutu.
Kutu. Yeah.
Kutu.
Very good.
Yecho afima miega sonu bubu ha. Nkaje miega ronku.
Mi akpo lisa be amade gbona ne ha. To biara ko. Yeah. Calabash, yeah. Yeneglo plu penya. Calabash, menya small ya. Yeah, okay.
No. Tre.
Yeah, tre.
Allo tre.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, miega sonu daka miega ngulebo.
Okay, ma. Gotcha. Okay, ma,
Gachi. Allo gachi.
Different ones, different sizes, different styles.
Mie gachi. Gachi vi. Gachi ga.
Gachi lolo.
Afi chi hali. Nye gachi perform bu. Okay. Mie glo he. Mie glo he. Mie fuvuve he.
Kedabero. Obialo. Here. Type, yeah, this is for the table, You've opened setup table. Yeah. Near corner description, I beg whether I'm sure.
Can you do here on ya?
Then they will know.
Ala yamada now. No shamo. Oh, we Nangloba yi nwasaga obasa shivi nota. Oh, yamada na Toniko sasa kwenye nududu ikabi alo nuvivivi mola konji. Mara na lama sakata zanga afia siota. Ka aba hento ikemiezana le dzodofia he dzodoƒi he wɔwɔ woɖana ya ne fem ko esio iƒe suetɔ miezana kɔ tsɔ fetri kple nu bubuwo hã wɔwo hã nye yi ok enyo ŋutɔ míedzagba egakpɔtɔ nanewo míagayi eya hã nɔ kplɔ dzi ne míeve nuɖu ge míeyɔnɛ be nuka gaflo Osiris míeyɔnɛ be gaflo yevugbe me ale ko yɔnɛ
Yevugbe me ale ko yɔnɛ I know something you don't know, you never.
Yeah, gaflo.
It's a fork.
Fork. Yeah, ikemi kodu nanui. If angeto hali. Afi gato hali. Okay, I think I have it. Angeto nyai. Yeah. Angeto nyai. Gaflo. Yeah, I think we done.
Miata akon nane dakade akpadentia. Let me see. No nene wa fifiaka. I can't remember.
Okay. Mako de magloba hafina yevu na va shigera nyapo konoma ashie mikodu na nui nemi na akpla ruga ashi kple dechi akere kakele tami niwa oba gachi kple gachi a miezana kodu na nu kake yevu wanye yameje gomono zam kake miko funa dechi ya miko kuna dechi ya gantole miko kuna dechi ta namenye mawa amarata agbimiana. What I'm saying is before our contact with our Europeans, we used to eat with our hands, whether it's rice, whether it's banku, akbele, we just eat with our hands. So we didn't used to eat with spoon.
Yeah. Ala nanama ba afi yevuna ve ama ibonyigba jia. Miatɔgbiwo hã wonye nu yiwo kɔ ɖua nu eta ŋkɔ le mía si be tsi. Wozãna tsi. Ke yi ne yevuwo wova tro mo nɛ wònye ga, eta wòzu gatsi. Elabe nuka eya wova wɔe kple ga. Ta wozãna tsi kɔ wɔna nu yi ke wowɔe kple atsi. Wokɔ wɔna nu yiwo ta. Yiwo hã nɔ zazãm hafi yevuawo ko wotɔ vɛ. Ta ne gblɔe nenema megblɔ. Míanɔ fefefem be yevuwo be spoon. Míawo hã míaƒe asibidea yenye spoon. 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 Ta míawo míaƒe asi abe ameyibɔwo na míawo hã míatɔ míaƒe gatsia yenye ya míatɔgbiwo zãna hafi míawo hã míava. Menye míawo ɖeɖe dze o. Ne kpo ne do go dumetɔwo abe menye ame yiwo ke míaƒe agbalẽ yibɔ ya le wo ŋu o. Woɖuna nu abe míawo pɛpɛpɛ wozãna asi nenema. Ne míeyi teƒe aɖewo míedo goa. Wogblɔna be ne zã asia ye ne vivi se ge ne nuɖuɖua hã. Míawo hã míekpɔnɛ be ne ezã asia eha to vovo ne ezã yevutɔ. Ta nu ko srɔ̃m míele. Egba
Mako nane kpedenchi ekpɔ nu hia alehi. Yo ekpɔm abe akple dachi gakea our forefathers 4 bears. Oza achi. Many necessarily be achiko. Oko dananure. Instead of this.
Yeah.
Instead of this.
Yeah.
They use that. And then, the little nudges here, that's just for that's just for the new thing, like making bangkong and akple and all that. But these are the same thing. They use wood, just like that's what we use to stir food. Instead of spoons, we use wood.
Yo, akpe na mi alaba mi ganglo mi mama oba mi be mi atok bi okwa. Mi mama okle mi atok bi o. Ya mi mauzama ta mi ko achi oko dunangwa yela fia. So this is the spoon. And actually this is actually better than the other ones that we have. Yeah, these are better.
Free.
Yeah, these are better biodegradable materials compared to all the things that we have now, the plastics and other things like that. Instead of the spoon. So this is actually the original spoon. The one made with metal.
Yeah. Tanya duduk po. Enye ba mukau mi Srɔ Eʋegbe.
Srɔ gaflu. Yeah. Gaflu, which is pork. Gachi, which is spoon. No daze, which is pot. Asitutuvo, which is napkin.
Yeah.
Atupa, which is border. Srɔ Agba, is like a bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna have a correct balance.
I'm over it. Dana minu yang kori.
Okay, well, my Eka. Oh, blue. Oh no, that's blue. No, that's not the one. No, that's not the one.
Yeah,
This is the one. Gaka. Well, I guess you have a handle on it, and then of course, Yevuto. Chijoji tea no.
Chijoji no to Hey ankori.
Nimeno akpamo. Here, Helena share. Nimeno akpamo. Akwa. Echo megbogbombe that for be many gake. But I was taught growing up in Jelukopa is Akwa be had blobe fifia. Why?
La miapon fofoma. Nyagba odona vuvu. Gake na vabe ya yo no tonko ko va vieto la ngongoloma ala vuvu. Dokolaba le miapa English gba gbogloma. Oba I go na. Well, I'm going to. Kakama moke ba I'm gonna do. I'm going ta nanama ko le mia dagbama. Alaba nano lia ogboglo le vuvu. Nana ava yoga. Amako
nyate ka Eʋegbe e onglo la gbale ma e nya nglo. Ka ke Eʋegbe ho domeli. Afi bubu gali tong.
Yeah.
Ko ha dano liu ne different. Ake le anglo maunglo na anglo.
La porama. La porama. Ni amia ne ba aida. Amaroya ne ba aya. Ala vuvu. Ta de ba chofi pa nyaglomola alo dwi maton uma le oyoge. Ta aida. Aida. Emi yona mia.
Akpe. Ye mami eglo. Api ye Eʋe Eʋe de shiada. Kaya oglona. Ple alonglona ya tovo. Monoglombe. Texas toglona be y'all. All of you. Gake. If you are neng mangloma manglogana nama. Alabe amo yonangu. So people call things in different ways. But there's a standard way of doing that. So when the language was written, young Eʋegbe, oko ni vovovo chotafel kopofuye. Taite abe stick. A stick is called le anglo. In Anglo they say achi. But the matoglo na be ati. The written one is ati. So if you go to an exam and you want to write stick and you say achi, A-T-S-I, that is wrong. It has to be A-T-I.
Yeah.
So you have the local way of saying it, and then you have the standardized way, which is made by taking that from different places and putting them together. Okay.
Okay, so today things around the house, especially around our dining table, we learn few things in our language of things like cup, blue, plate, agba, knife, he, fork, gaflo, bottle, atupa, and what else? Comb, aida, calabash, tre, he, knife, spoon, gachi, or gati. So these few items, I think we can practice them, and next time we come, we speak our language. Thank you.
Thank you.
Akpanami. Sukuvio akpanami miawewe onyo akpanami danami. Minyaba awe togboneba kpechika hoga ajagbanto.
Yo, akpe davero danami.
Yes,
Saros.
Yes,
Danami marikiji.
Oh, my goodness, yes, I had to say bye bye to kind.
No miaga ble miaga na wanya ba no nanko na miapa linka vavage na wonglonko na anu soson.
Me a post. Okay. Fifi, we are ready. We are ready to start a beginner's class. So, we have a flyer that will be coming out all the week. We'll send it out, and also post it in various forums. And if you want to be a part of it, you what's the word? You register on that form. Like this lady that we had here, that Lavina, she has registered. I know, she told me yesterday. So be looking out for it. And the beginners class would start the beginning of November. But the rest of this month, we are going to dedicate it to getting the students who are interested, young and old. We can all be in the beginners class. It's just different. Do you have something to add, my companions?
That's it.
Yeah, Alabama. Yeah, so the form is right here. So I just pasted the form into the comment section. This here. If you click on it, you'll be able to register. Na ekashi etoshi ni magia ngonglo make mafia leta fuma adore tepe ke na nglonko bale danami egblene alebe macho miacho monko kwa da kpena miagata be mi dore mianchi egba masham da lavina mensa da da lavina mensa elafia egba kle David Doreen amatoyona kle amabubu kata ikemo englong nana kerafia mi da kpena mi be mi dore mianchi efia alove mi da kpena miafe agbanlejiglau da nami da vero fosaros de do agata me mi leta alove obe enyanyu adeva nyichoa na mi don kujia miafe nufiala gan cho ocho University of Education Winneba Eʋegbe fiapa la fuma o eglona mi be yo pepede ngwa regime na ega la be de vio no la sukua de omoten sukua ngumo la be gameli okohe efel ta flache alebe ta obia bele ke mi akpede yo nchi ha alebe ko ne mi don kujia me ko be amade no afia nye mi akpenu pola de ikenye Dr. Forgive Avogbedo ko anglora fia be na mia abu mia chadang mia kweda beleke mia awe ha alebe ta nyekumi vapong ko ebe ya nami dollar akpereka akoje gome ta mi da kwene Dr. Forgive Avogbedo enami akpereka dollar akpereka na University of Education Winneba. So let's thank Dr. Forgive Avogbedo. For those who don't understand Eʋe, let me just translate. So Dr. Forgive Avogbedo, she is giving $1,000 to the University of Education Winneba, the Eʋe department. Yeah, for that work, but we still need more contributions.
Wait, you said for that work. What work? You didn't explain that.
Oh yeah, for the teaching. So as I mentioned at the beginning, I think I mentioned it in Eʋe. There are people, there are students.
The problems.
Students, yeah, there are students who need help. What's happening is that is the only place in Ghana where teachers of Eʋe are trained, and so it's very important to maintain that department, because if there are no teachers of the language, then no one will be able to learn the language. You know, these are professionals. However, there is a problem, and the problem is that some of the students drop out because they are unable to pay the fees, and that is a big challenge for the department. So Dr. Dogbe, who comes here regularly, he has been footing some of these bills himself. So Dr. Eʋegbe, forgive Eʋegbe, she saw the show the last time, and then she said she would think about how to help. So through this, she got back to me and she said that she's going to give us $1,000 for us to start this. So we need other folks to contribute towards this effort. So during our next coming show, we'll talk about this in more detail, so that folks can actually help. We also discuss how to make this sustainable, because it's important. This is not a one-time thing. There should be a pipeline. We should have a strategy in place. So I think it's up to all of us to work together to see how to do this, because as I always say, the blood of any nation or any people is the language. And once the language disappears, the culture and everything of that language just vaporizes. So we don't want that to happen to Eʋe. That it's important for all of us to see how best to help with this. So once again, Akpe, Dr. Forgive Eʋegbe, for this.
Thank you very much indeed. Yeah. Dr. Eʋegbe will be very, very grateful.
Yeah. So so once again, please prepare our listeners and viewers. We'll be talking about this. Let's all put our heads together. How can we help these students so that every teaching will continue? And I can tell you myself, when I went to high school, there was no Eʋe teacher then, and what I did was I talked to the headmaster. I said I wanted to learn Eʋe. So they had to spend a few months to get a teacher of Eʋe, right? So that took some time for them to get these teachers, these two teachers to come and teach so many students. So if you don't have any teachers, then yeah, the language is gone. And there are a lot of places around here, Native Americans, who are working very hard to preserve their language. There's an article that I was just reading earlier today that's talking about how the Native American languages are disappearing at a very fast rate. And they are complaining that with the language disappearing, the culture is also following along. Dr. Forgive Eʋegbe.
Thanks again, Doc.
Okay.
All right.
Yo, Mariku, enya bubuarele miashi, emiako, akpereng ne miafe, nukola, klenya salao.
Akpe ko mie dana mesiame be wodo ɖe mia ŋu eye egbe hã míaƒe nubɔnawo woyi dzi pɛpɛpɛ. Ke nuviwo míesrɔ̃ míakɔe fie mía viwo, ɖeviwo mí be no se gbe. Nu ɖeka no nye yɔyɔ kɔ. Ne míegava mía nuŋlɔkpe zãma, when we are using the whiteboard, then it will be easy for us. Now we just doing virtual. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, thank you. Akpenami.
All right.
Miaga akpe.
Miaga dogo.
Miaga dogo.
Akpebe miezonde miao.
Akpe kakaka.
Enyo. Akpenami. Miape ngia mi ogba yema. DZODOⴼE NUWO, everyday household items. Egba miape français to mava ota. Mie meten do français ota. Ota maybe da vero kle da na mia maybe all dona français ta ga keba obe français mia
Edo ni beberagbo.
Egba mo do ni memleragbo ta mo
All right.
Yes, I'm
Okay. Yema.
Nyaga Dogo.
Nyaga Adogo.
Yeah.
Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao blo. Novio mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao blo 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 Mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao bloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao bloe. Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao blo 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 Mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba ao blo Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suraka. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya 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 dala ya suraka. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao mi glena bosanu ba ao blo novio. Mi glena satana ba